Hi everyone, welcome to shsirclasses. Today in this video we have to draw 290-degree angle by using protractor. So let's start the video. First of all, we have to draw here a straight line of any length. So first drawing here a line. Next, pointing out here to draw 290-degree angle on this point. Now putting the protractor on the line perfectly, then counting the angle. So this is up to 180 degree, but we have to draw 290-degree angle. So if we add 110-degree angle with 180 degree, then we can get 290-degree angle. So putting the protractor by this way on the line perfectly, now counting the angles. So this is 180 degree. Now this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90, 100, and this is 110. So by adding 110 with 180 degree, then we can get 290-degree angle. Okay, now joining this to get 290-degree angle. Okay, so we got 290-degree angle, and this is PQ and R. So angle PQR. Okay, and this is 290-degree angle. So therefore angle PQR equal to, we can write 290-degree angle. That's all. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful to you, then please share it with your friend. Thanks for watching.